Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to create multiple pages in Excel. We have some few options, so let's go through all of them. So we have three options, so let's start with number one. So if you want to organize different sets of data in one file, the shortcut is that you click here the plus icon at the bottom of the screen next to the existing sheet tabs, so down here, and as you can see here, plus button right over here. Keyboard shortcut is then Shift and F11. This will create the new basically sheet. And when you double click on it, you can also rename it. And now, as you can see, we can basically rename it what we just how we want it. Now okay, so I need to put the number here. So now option number two, if you have a long list and want to force Excel to start a new page at a specific row, is basically you select a row where you want the new page begins. So let's say we have here 44. I will go here with 20. Go to the page layout tab at the top ribbon. So here at the top page layout, now click breaks right here, and then insert page break, just like that. To see where your page end, go to the View tab. So let's go to the View and then select Page Break Preview right over here. And now you see where it breaks. So page 1, page 2. Now if you want to see your data as it will appear on paper while you type, so is basically where we are now. So view, and then we have page layout here, and this is how it will look like. So this view shows margins, headers, and footers, making the grid look like individual sheets of paper. Now you can see better. So something like that. And yeah, this is pretty much it for this video. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.